Next we are going with exercise 15.3. Okay, coefficient of variation. Okay, main concept in exercise 15.3 is coefficient of variance. CV is equal to sigma by x bar. X bar is nothing but mean, sigma is nothing but standard deviation. Okay, mean is equal to x bar, standard deviation is equal to sigma. Okay, variance is equal to sigma square. Okay, these are the main three symbols or the main concept which we have solved in 15.1 15.2 exercise. Into 100, cb is equal to sigma by c x dash into 100, where x bar is not equal to 0. Okay, if x bar is 0, cv will become infinity. Okay, that's why x bar should not be equal to 0. Okay, next we'll go with the problems. From the data given state, which group is more variable? Okay, there are two groups, group A, group B. Which group are more variable? Okay, marks obtained are 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Okay, group A, 10 to 20 marks is scored by 9 people, and 20 to 30 mark is scored by 17 people. Which group A or group B are more variable? We need to find, okay, with the help of coefficient of variation, CV formula. Okay, for group A, CV is equal to sigma A into 100 by x bar. Okay, for group B, CV is equal to sigma B into 100 by x bar. Okay, na. So x bar is nothing but mean. Mean formula is equal to a plus summation f into y by capital N. Capital N is nothing but summation of sum of frequency, total number of frequency, into h. H is nothing but difference between two terms. A is the median class. Okay, na. Then sigma is nothing but standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to h by n. N is natural number, root over n into summation f y square, f into y square minus summation f y to the whole square, f into y to the whole square. Okay, to find, first we need to find mean, then standard deviation, so that we can apply in CV formula, coefficient of variation formula, to find whether which group is more variable. Okay, to find mean according to the table or column, we need to find y. Y is nothing but x minus a by h. Okay, we need to find y, and we need to find summation f I into y I. According to the table or column, we need to find y is equal to x minus a by h, then f into y. Then to find the standard deviation, sigma is equal to h by n. Okay, summation f into y square. Okay, f into y square summation we need to find, minus summation fy. Fy is here, we can find the summation of this one, summation of fy, summation of fy, f into y square. Okay, now we can find the standard deviation. Okay, now before that we need to find the x value for group A. This is group A. Okay, now marks obtained is 10 to 20. Okay, total 80 are there, right in the marks column. Next, frequencies are 9, 17, 32, 33, 40, 10, 9. 9, 17, 32, 40, 10, 9. Okay, you need to find n. N is equal to summation of fi, which will be equal to add everything. 9 plus 17 plus 32 plus 33 plus 40 plus 10 plus 9. You will get around 150. You got n value. N is nothing but 150. You need to find x. X is nothing but mid-term of marks. 10 to 20, mid-term is 15. Okay, 20 to 30, mid-term is 25. 30 to 40, mid-term is 35. 40 to 50, mid-term is 45. 50 to 60, mid-term is 55. 60 to 70, mid-term is 65. 70 to 80, mid-term is 75. You got x, you got y. Sorry, you got f. You need to find y. Okay, y is equal to x minus a by h. A is nothing but median class. How many terms are there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7, which will be the middle term? First 3 is not there. Second 3 is not there. Next, fourth will be the middle term or mid term. So A is equal to 45. Always you have to consider x column. A is equal to 45. Consider A is equal to 45. Okay, you got x bar is equal to A. You got A, N. Okay, you need to get H. Okay, first term, common difference between the two terms. Consider 55 and 45. 55 minus 45, common difference is 10 na? Consider 25 and 15. 25 minus 15, common difference is 10. Okay, difference between the second term and the first term is nothing but h. H is equal to 10. Okay, common difference between the first and the second term in series. Okay, h is equal to 10. You got h. Okay, you can substitute in this formula. X is nothing but 15 minus a is 45 divided by h. H is 10. You will get minus 3. After simplifying, you will get minus 3. Okay, next, x is equal to 25 minus a is 45, h is 10. You will get minus 2. 35 minus 45 by 10, you will get minus 1. Okay, 45 minus 45 by 10, you will get 0. Then 55 minus 45 by 10, you will get around plus 1. 65 minus 45 by 10, you will get plus 2. 75 minus 45 by 10, you will get plus 3. Okay, you got y value. To find summation of f into y, multiply y with frequency. 9 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 27. 17 into minus 2 is equal to minus 34. 32 into minus 1, minus 32. 33 into 0, 0. 40 into 1, 40. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 9 into 3 is 27. Okay, you need to get summation f into y. Summation f into y is nothing but add everything. Okay, you will get, after adding this, you will get minus 6. Okay, you will get summation fy is equal to minus 6. Okay, now you can apply in mean formula. Okay, mean x bar is equal to a plus summation f into y by n into h. You will get a is nothing but 45. 45 plus summation fy is equal to minus 6 bracket into h is 10 by n. N is nothing but 150 by adding all the frequency. 150. Okay, now you will get around 45 minus 0.4. Okay, you'll get 45 minus 0.4, which is nothing but 44.6. Okay, x bar is equal to 44.6. You got mean. Okay, you got mean. Next you need to get standard deviation is equal to h by n root over n into summation f y square. You need to find in table column f into y square. Okay, f is here, y is here. 9 into minus 3 square is nothing but minus 3 square is 9 into 81. 17 into minus 2 square 68. 32 into minus 1 square is equal to 32. 33 into 0 is nothing but 0. 40 into 1 square is equal to 40. 10 into 2 square is equal to 40. 9 into 3 square is equal to 81. Okay, summation fy square is equal to, okay, add everything. By adding everything you will obtain 342. You got summation fy square. Okay, CV is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. Okay, mean x bar is equal to, you got a is equal to 45 plus summation f into y is minus 6 divided by n is equal to 150 into h is 10. Okay, you'll get around 45 minus 0.4. Okay, x bar is equal to 44.6. Mean is nothing but 44.6. You got x value. You need to get sigma. Standard deviation sigma SD is equal to h by n. H is equal to 10 by n is 150. Okay, or root over n. 150 into summation f into y square is 342. Okay, minus summation f into y minus 6 to the whole square. You will get 1 by 15, 0 cancel, root over 51300 multiplying 150 into 342 is 51300 minus 36. Okay, you will get around 1 divided by 15 into 226 by 41. Okay, after dividing 226.41 by 15, you will get sigma is equal to 15.09. Okay, now 15.09 is nothing but sigma. You got sigma also. Sigma A. This is sigma A. You can apply now in CV formula. CV is equal to sigma A into 100 by x bar. Okay, CV is equal to sigma A is nothing but 15.09 into 100 divided by x bar is nothing but 44.6. Okay, CV is equal to, after simplifying you'll get 33.83 for group A. Okay, next you need to find coefficient of variation for group B. Next we'll go for the group B. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma B by x bar into 100. Sigma is nothing but standard deviation. X bar is nothing but mean. Okay, mean formula is equal to A plus summation f into y divided by capital N into h. Okay, f into y summation. Okay, we need to find f into y summation in the tabular column. Okay, we need to find summation f into y. To find y, we have a formula. Y is equal to x minus a by h. This is the formula. This also we need to find in tabular column. Okay, x is nothing but given data, marks. From marks we need to find the midterm of x. Okay, a is nothing but median class we need to consider. Median class. We need to consider a. N is nothing but sum of frequency. Summation f is equal to n is equal to summation f. Add everything. By adding everything you will get n. N is nothing but by adding everything you will get n is equal to 150. Okay, you got n is equal to 150. H is nothing but common difference between x2 and x1. Okay, next, standard deviation sigma is equal to h by n root over n into summation f into y square minus summation f into y. Summation f into y is done. Summation f into y square we need to find. Summation f into y square we need to find. Okay, first we need to find x term. Okay, midpoint. This is nothing but midterm of marks. Midterm of marks means midterm of 10 to 20 marks is 15. 20 to 30 is 25. 30 to 40 is 35. 40 to 50 is 45. 50 to 60 is 55. 60 to 70 is 65. 70 to 80 is 75. You got x. You got f. Okay, you need to find a. Okay, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 terms are there. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 3.5 means fourth term. Okay, which will be the middle term in 7? 4. 4 will be the middle term. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Fourth will be the middle term. Okay, you need to consider a is equal to xi, which is nothing but middle term 45. Consider a is equal to 45. A is equal to 45. Okay, next you need to find h. H is nothing but second term of x minus first term of xi. Second term is 25 minus 15 is nothing but 10. Or common difference between any two term in x column. Okay, 35 minus 25 is 10. 45 minus 35 is 10. So h is equal to 10. You got h, you got a, you got n. Okay, you need to find y and the summation of fy to find the mean. Okay, y is equal to x minus a is 45 by h is 10. Okay, go with 15 minus a is 45 by 10. You'll get minus 3. Okay, next 25 minus 45 by 10. You'll get minus 2. Next 35 minus 45 by 10. You will get minus 1. Next 45 minus 45 by 10, you will get 0. Next 55 minus 45 by 10, you will get plus 1. Next 65 minus 45 by 10, you will get plus 2. Next 75 minus 45 by 10, you will get plus 3. Okay, you got y value. Okay, you need to find summation f into y. Multiply frequency and y term. 10 into minus 3 is minus 30. 20 into minus 2 is minus 40. Okay, the 30 into minus 1 is minus 30. 25 into 0 is 0. 55 into 1 is 55. 65 into 2 is 65. Sorry, 15. Sorry, 43 into 1 is 43. 15 into 2 is 30. 7 into 3 is 21. Okay, add everything, you'll get summation of f into y. By adding everything, you'll get summation of fi is equal to minus 6. Okay, summation of f into y is equal to minus 6. Okay, you need to find the mean now. What is the mean formula? You can write here. X bar is equal to a plus summation f into y by n into h. Okay, a is equal to 45, which we have considered. 45 plus summation f into y is minus 6 into h is 10 divided by n is equal to 150. Okay, you will get the same value. Okay, you will get around 45 minus 0.4. Minus 6 divided by 15 is 0.4. X bar is equal to 44.06 or 44.6. Okay, mean is equal to 44.6. Next you need to find sigma. Sigma is equal to h by n root over n into summation f into y square. Still we need to find f into y square summation minus summation f into y to the whole square. Summation f into y to the whole square is nothing but minus 6 to the whole square. Okay, we need to find summation f into y square. Okay, f into y. F is here, y is here. 10 into minus 3 square is nothing but you'll get around 90. Okay, 20 into minus 2 square. 20 into minus 2 square is nothing but 80. Okay, 30 into minus 1 square is nothing but 30. Next, 25 into 0 is 0. 43 into 1 square is 43. 15 into 2 square is around 60. 7 into 9 square is 9. 7 into 9 is 63. Okay, you need to find summation f into y square is equal to. Add everything. 90 plus 80 plus 30 plus 43 plus 60 plus 63. You'll get around 366. Okay, summation f into y square is equal to 366. Okay, now you can substitute in this formula. Sigma b is equal to h is 10, n is equal to 150. 10 by 150 root over n is 150 into summation f into y square is 366 minus summation f into y is minus 6 to the whole square. Sigma b is equal to 1 by 15, 0 0 cancel, root over 150 into 366 is nothing but 54900 minus 36. Okay, sigma b is equal to 1 by 15 into 234.23. Finally, you'll get sigma b SD standard deviation is equal to 15.61. Okay, you need to find CV, coefficient of variation. CV is equal to sigma b by x bar into 100. Sigma b is equal to 15.61 divided by x bar is nothing but 44.6 into 100. Okay, CV is equal to, by simplifying this, you get 44.53. Coefficient of variation of group B. This is for group B. CV for group B is equal to 44.53. Okay, next CV for group A is equal to 33.83. For group A. Okay, according to the given question we need to find which is more valuable. Okay, the group which CV is I are more valuable. Okay, according to this, CV is 44.53, group B is more valuable. Okay, thus it is simplified.